The Fusion 360 Additive Build extension provides cost-effective access to more advanced tools to make better use of your additive manufacturing hardware. Create toolpaths for metal powder bed fusion machines. Define the machine and print settings for the job. Then use automatic orientation to optimize the part orientation based off user-ranked parameters like build height. Generate fully associative supports and maintain fine control with advanced parameters for each support type. Mix and match if needed by selected faces as the support target. Generate and simulate the additive toolpath to see how the part will build, including simulation of the actual laser path. The most powerful part of the additive build extension is that it exists alongside the subtractive capabilities of Fusion 360, so you can easily program subtractive finishing operations within the same design, creating a fully hybrid manufacturing environment with a seamless data flow throughout the design and manufacturing process.